Hello, friends. Let me introduce you to Jungle Family.
This is Ellie, the elephant. This is the monkey. Take it easy, man.
This is the cow.
This is the tiger. Oh, doesn't seem to have recognized me. Oh, he did. This is the lion. Remember? He saved Ellie. This is the cat. The pampered one. This is the dog. This is the rabbit. Oh, God! Very naughty. This is the horse. What happened? Why moving backwards? This is the zebra. Someone is waiting to get introduced. This is the giraffe, the tallest one.
This is the bear.
Why so serious, man? Thank you for watching. Please like,